Hi friends, this class we will be discussing on mainly India's first items. The first cashless market is Raipur. Raipur is in Chhattisgarh. First cashless state is Goa. First cashless village is Dasai village. And first cashless city is Chandigarh. First digital state is Kerala. The first digital village is Akodara in Gujarat. First cashless Rajbhavan is Himachal Pradesh. First Wi-Fi northeastern city is Aswal. First Wi-Fi village is Nagpur. First Wi-Fi enabled metro city is Kolkata. First Wi-Fi district is Idukki in Kerala. First Wi-Fi railway station is Mumbai. First Wi-Fi public hotspot is Gurugram. First cashless vegetable market is Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh. First cashless railway station is Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. India's first water metro in Kochi. First India's medical device park is Gujarat. South India get its first children's court in Hyderabad. India's first e-court is Hyderabad. India's first gender university is Kerala. India's first woman entrepreneurs park is in Uttarakhand. India's first smart grid is Gurugram, Haryana. India's first LIGO laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory laboratory is in Anuga in Hangoi districts of Maharashtra. India's first commercial dispute resolution central Raipur, Chhattisgarh. India's first Ayush University is in Haryana. India's first facility to produce nickel was launched by the Hindustan Copper Limited HCL in Jharkhand. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.